Yes, our today's topic of discussion is highly interesting and it is totally related to science. And basically, if you're a science geek, this topic is for you. Topic goes something like this: NASA SOFIA discovers water on sunlit surface of moon. That's an amazing news that has come up recently. Now, what has happened in this case is NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, that is SOFIA, has confirmed the presence of water on the sunlit surface of the moon. This indicates that water is not only limited to cold shadowed place but could be distributed across the lunar surface. That's an amazing news that's coming so far. And what you can see is highlights of this important topic is SOFIA has detected water molecules in Clavius crater. This crater is very important, you have to remember this term. And earlier observations of the moon surface detected some form of hydrogen. However, they were unable to distinguish between water and close chemical relative called hydroxyl. Sahara Desert has 100 times more water than SOFIA has detected in the lunar soil. That's really very amazing. Now let's go through the background of this event. How did this come on? Well, back in 1969, as you can see, when astronauts visited moon, they were in a continuous doubt whether there was water present on moon or not, and this finally got an answer right now. Today we have the answer. SOFIA, what is SOFIA? Let us know what is SOFIA. SOFIA is a modified Boeing 747 SV aircraft. It allows astronomers to study the solar system and beyond. The study SOFIA is different from what is studied by the ground-based telescopes. SOFIA has thus offered new means of looking at the moon. SOFIA flies at an altitude of 45,000 feet. It is also known as a Boeing 747 SV jetliner, having 106-inch diameter telescope. It reaches about 99% of the water vapor in Earth's atmosphere to get a clear view of the infrared universe. Wow, amazing. The jetliner uses faint object infrared camera for the SOFIA telescope that is forecast, as you can see, by which SOFIA picked up the specific wavelength of 6.1 microns. That is really simply mesmerizing. Now you have to know about what is the Clavius crater, the crater in which water was found, and this is a real breakthrough. As you can see, it is among the largest craters that is visible from Earth. As you can see from the Earth itself. It is located in the moon's southern hemisphere. It lies to the south of the prominent ray crater Tycho. The crater has been named after the Jesuit priest Christopher Clavius, who is the 16th century German mathematician and astronomer. Yes, now you might be wondering, well, we have found out water on moon. What next? Is there any other planet? Yes, there are other planets where water has been found, and to name such is we have Europa. Europa is thought to have a subsurface liquid water. Scientists hypothesize that Europa's hidden ocean is salty. Tidal causes its ice water surface to move, resulting in large fractures which are clearly visible in the above image. Although Europa is thought to have ingredients needed to support life, water, energy, organic compounds, it lies outside our solar system's habitable zone. Currently, Earth was only one planet, or now we have added moon to it. Stable bodies of liquid water on its surface. In our solar system, Earth orbits around the sun in an area called the habitable zone. The temperature, along with an ample amount of atmospheric pressure within this zone, allows water to be liquid for longer periods of time. Since we have already found another similar planet that is called Europa, mankind is known to create wonders, and there is no inch of a doubt that people are going to settle in a different kind of planets.